That's the nice thing about the immune system and boosting our immunity. So many things in this pandemic are out of our control, but this is something we can do to reduce our risk of COVID-19. So I have 5 things I would recommend. First, exercise. So a moderate amount of exercise actually leads to an increase in the number of immune cells that we have. But be careful because you don't want to overdo it with exercise, because extreme amounts of exercise or intense exercise can trigger the stress response in the body and have a paradoxical effect of reducing our immunity. The second thing is sleep. So you want to make sure to get enough sleep and enough good quality sleep. And the reason is because while we're sleeping is when our body makes immune cells, it's when it makes antibodies, it's when it makes immune chemicals that are protective. And if you're not getting enough sleep, then you're not getting enough of those protective mechanisms in action. The third thing is control your alcohol intake, because alcohol can directly affect the ability of the immune system to fight infections. The fourth thing I would recommend is to reduce your stress. So when we're stressed, our anxiety response is triggered. Our body releases cortisol, which is a stress hormone, which works to suppress our immune system and can affect our immunity. And the final and probably one of the most important aspects is to have a well-balanced nutritional diet so that you're getting all your vitamins and minerals, because vitamins and minerals are essential to proper immune function. There are some vitamins and micronutrients that are important for healthy immune function. It's quite easy to remember, actually. Vitamins A, B, C, D, and E, and iron, selenium, and zinc. So if you have deficiencies of any of these vitamins, your immune system can be compromised. And the best way for us to know whether or not we have the adequate levels of vitamins is to check, because vitamin deficiencies don't always declare themselves, especially if they're mild or subtle. And so it's really important to sign up for health screenings like the ones that Nine Health is offering, where you can go for a simple blood test and figure out whether your vitamin D level is adequate, whether your vitamin B level is adequate, whether your iron levels are adequate, whether you have all the ingredients that you need to have a healthy immune system.